Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here, and those of you that are new, welcome. I appreciate each and everybody that comes and checks my channel out, and I hope that you like what you see and you will stay. So mainly right now we are an unboxing channel, and that is what we are going to do today. Also, we have reached our 300 subscriber goal. For those of you that are new, I do a subscriber giveaway every 100 subscribers. So I am actually going to film that giveaway today, but I'm not going to probably post it, I think, until Friday. So keep your eye open for that, but we do have that giveaway coming. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put it in the thumbnail and say, hey, we have a giveaway, or if I'm just going to kind of keep it low key so that it's for, you know, my subscribers. That way, because I love having the genuineness of being able to talk to my subscribers, know who I'm talking to, and not have people come in just for the giveaway, which I have seen happen, and then they end up leaving. So I'm trying to figure out on how I'm going to post it, but do stay tuned because that is definitely coming up, and I am going to be filming that today. So keep an eye out for that. Today we are here for our BoxyCharm premium unboxing. I am super excited about this. It has been sitting in my house probably for about 4 days now, 4 or 5 days, and I haven't touched it. I've been working, and it's, I don't know, this I don't know if it's still a cold or if I'm just lazy. I don't know what's going on, but I just have no energy, and I've recently been down and out with this bronchitis, and it just has kicked my butt, you guys. So anyway, it's been sitting here for about a week now, and I've been dying to get into it. So finally today we are going to get into it, and I am super excited. So for those of you that don't know, Boxy Premium is an upgrade to the regular BoxyCharm, and it is a $35 a month box. I am super excited for next month's box. It is all Fenty. And on a lot of my boxes, I try not to get spoilers because I don't want to know what's in the boxes. But for BoxyCharm, it's really hard to not. If you're watching YouTube, you're definitely going to see the spoilers. So I do know some things that are in this box. I've not watched a Boxy Premium unboxing, but there's just no way around it. Just like next month's box, there's no way around knowing what's in that box with the Fenty box. And also, yesterday was Choice for Boxy, and I worked a double, and I completely forgot about it. And I don't have the Tarte Remix palette as my choice. I hope they still give it to me. We'll see. But 3 minutes in, and we haven't gotten into the box yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So, opening it for the first time with you guys. And hello, Charmers. You open it up. I love how it's the blue when it's the premium. I really like that. And then you have your protection. I actually have a card. I did not have a card in my other one. And then when you open it, that is what's inside. So, finally get to see the card. I did get emailed the card, but I do not like that. I'd rather have it in hand so I can see what I have. And the theme is Adore. And it does have your products on the inside. And then upgrade to March Luxe. There's the Remix palette right there. I hope I get that. I'm going to be so upset if I don't. Join the wait list and get March Boxy Luxe featuring Tarte. Oh, okay. So what was the choice for? Maybe it was for the regular box? Because it says you're definitely getting that in the box. So, okay. I'm going to have to go back and look. Yeah, it says we're getting it. So I don't know what that choice was for. And then it has information about the pop-up. But I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get into the box. All right, so the first item I'm going to pull, as I spoke about in my last BoxyCharm video, I'm not getting into the drama of the box. It's just, I'm here for the makeup, for the fun of unboxing things. I don't want to be any part of the drama. However, I did receive the product that everybody is talking about. And it is this 24 karat Gold Foil Moisturizer. This thing is heavy. I'm going to read you what it says. I'm not going to open it yet because I do want to do a little bit of research on it. And it says Facia. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. 24-hour gold foil moisturizer. The 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin, and it's valued at $100. So the tea here with this is that I guess you can get the same exact product for like $2 on a bulk website, or I'm not getting into it. I'm here for the unboxing. I'm going to do some research on the ingredients to see before I touch any of this stuff, because I just want to make sure. And I have a lot of serums. So, but that's the first item. We'll get that out of the way and we'll move on. All right, next item I see in my box is something I see at Marshall's a lot, but I'm not mad to get it. And it is a product from Korres. Oh, it's actually a body butter. Okay. I wish it was a shower gel. All right, so this is Korres body butter. This rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness, valued at $32. And this is the bergamot pear. Is it sealed? This is a huge thing. Yes, it is sealed. So I'm not going to open this right now. I have a lot of lotions. Not sure if I'll keep it or not. Not a bad product. This is huge. It is 7.95 fluid ounces of product. Huge. So I have tried their shower gels and they smell very good. So that's the second item. The third item, I'm super excited for this. Obviously, I knew I was getting this. Everybody knew they were getting this. And it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love their products. It says, immerse skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate. It envelopes your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh the skin and enhance makeup, valued at $28. So you best believe I am getting ready to open this and spray it on my face. I have tried at Sephora the spray. I don't think I sprayed it. God, it's sealed. I don't think I sprayed it on myself because obviously it's a tester and I'm scared of testers most of the time. But let's see. And I heard that you can't keep this near like any kind of sunlight because it'll lose its color. But there it is. I'm super excited. All right, let me move my hair out of the way. Oh yeah, it's super, super fine. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like the water sleeping mask. Oh, I love it. Now I might have to go in and get the set that's for that Netflix one that they have for the boys. What's in special packaging. That's so pretty. And that's on Sephora. All right. Next item in the box is from Tarte. What? Nuh-uh. I had no clue. Okay. So if you guys have followed me, you've seen my empty videos and you know that I actually like this product. I am like this far away from finishing it. I was ready to move on to a next primer. I'm not going to open this. I mean, I'll open to show you, but I'm not going to like pump it out that way. Because I want to try a different primer in between. I am trying to finish this. Okay, open up. Why do I have such problems opening in these things? I love this product. So this is the Tarte base tape. I have bought this twice now, I believe. So it's nice to have another one back up. And this says Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Prep yourself before you're perfect. Prep yourself before you're perfect yourself. Okay. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth the skin's appearance, valued at $30. I do absolutely love this primer. I don't have anything bad to say about it. and I'm excited that it's in my box. So, looks like we are down to the last 2 items. There's my little foamy thing. It looks like it has like a little thing to make it bigger. I don't know why. I guess maybe like to stop it from, you know, help it stay nice. I don't know. Not broken. So the next item is also another spoiler that I'm so excited about. It's the first time I've ever owned one of their products because they're so expensive. No, that's a lie. I have their mascara, but I haven't tried it yet. So this is from Hourglass. Oh my God, you guys. So excited. So it's the Ambient Lighting Blush. I mean, I can't wait to see what color mine is. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid I'm so excited I can't even read. All right, let's start over. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color, valued at $40. And is Ambient my shade? No, Diffused Heat. I'm excited. I am so excited. And I can't believe I let this sit for, I kept saying my Hourglass is in that box. My Hourglass is in that box. So there's what the packaging looks like. Don't want to blind you with my lights. So happy. Let's see. Oh, I was hoping it would be this color. All right, so there's the color. Very pretty. Oh, doesn't have a smell. Very soft. Very, very soft. There's the color. Oh, it's going to be so pretty, you guys. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy for that. Cannot believe that this is in the box. All right, and then our last item is an eyeshadow palette, and it is from Carily, and I believe this was the choice product. So this says, Carily Picante Palette, spice up your life. We've hand-selected 21 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are as warm as a summer night, packed with hot, fiery shades to create endless looks perfect for day to night, valued at $29. So I've never tried one of their palettes, so it's a new brand for me. And it's funny because I just went into CVS the other day, and I don't usually go to CVS. I was actually looking for the LA Girl palette, and I seen this there. So I didn't touch it, I didn't open it, I didn't look at it because I knew it was going to be in my box. So just a little thing there. All right, does not have a mirror, but there are your shades. They are very warm shades. Definitely love this palette. Definitely right up my alley. Does it say anything here different? No. All right, so we are going to do some swatches and see how it performs. All right, so the names are written on there, and it looks like it definitely is a mixture of, like, I don't really see too much satin. I was gonna say satin, but it really just looks like matte and well, maybe there's some satin. I don't know. We'll see. Matte and metallic. So let's get swatching. Very soft. I've heard very good things about this palette. So, and this company. Oh, it's very, very soft. Very buttery, you guys. This is going to be fun. Okay. So we're going to stick with what I usually do. That went on really smooth. So did that. Yeah, I think this is going to be beautiful. Wow, look at that gold. Yeah, I think we're going to have no problems with this palette. Normally I read you the shades, but there are so many of them. So we're not going to do that. I'm just going to try to run through these swatches so that you guys can see them, because I don't know, oh my goodness, if people are swatching these or not, and if they're live swatching them. So that way you can see the live swatches. I guess I'll find out after I do this, because I'll go and watch the videos. They're all very, very soft, you guys. I've not seen one shade or felt one shade so far that is like kind of gritty at all. And as you see, these are all one swipe swatch. I'm not going back, I'm not building up. And this palette is performing like it's a high-end palette. It is definitely looking very nice. We are halfway through. Even this dark red, that did not feel, didn't feel chalky at all. At all. They all are super buttery shades. Alright, so I guess we're going to go up a little bit. I hate when I do that because then the swatches suffer. I need to learn how to do better swatches. Now we're getting into the dark ones, and they're not even like skipping at all. They look like they're staining a little bit, but again, I'm just using a makeup eraser, so where are we at? I don't know if I did that one or not. I can't tell. Yeah, I think I did. All right. I'm sorry. We are almost done. Okay, so the only one that felt a little bit chalky is this one right here. That's second to the last one. Other than that, the rest of them felt great. I do have one on my thumb, so we'll start here because we're going to stay in the way the palette is. Even these dark shades are really nice. This is going to be sideways because it's my thumb. Love my swatches. So there's the palette. Very, very warm toned. The golds are amazing. Like, I'm kind of excited, you guys. This is right up my alley. I love these colors. I love reds and pinks. I did order the Profusion Love Struck palette because I wanted the Natasha Denona palette so bad. So that is kind of a dupe for it. Well, sort of. I mean, it has like the same colors. Excuse me, I have to clear my throat. This stupid cold. But anyway, I'll do a little video on that when that comes in, on all the stuff, like another little haul. All right, so let's recap our box. I'm excited. This is amazing. And that blush is freaking stunning. And it's going to look so good. And it's going to probably be the blush that I wear every single day from here on out. All right, so we're recapping. So now here is my separated bottle, which is cute because it shows you how it's two different, you know, it's like separated oils or whatever. But obviously when you shake it, that goes away. Make sure you shake this before you use it. So we have our Glow recipe. Excited. Picante. Excited. We have our Hourglass. Super, super, super excited. We have Shape Tape. Or not Shape Tape. Base Tape. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Super, super, super excited for these things. Worth the $35. 100% for me. And then as an added bonus, we have this beautiful, big, huge body butter. And then we have this guy, which I'm not going to say too much about because I am not getting into the drama of things. So let me know what you guys think. Now, is there variations on these? There is. Okay, so I'm variation 22. Don't know if you can see that. Let me know what you guys got. I love doing that and talking to you guys and seeing what you guys got different. I want to know what shades are out there of these blushes. I can't wait to watch these videos to see what else is out there. Another great box from BoxyCharm. Right now they are killing it. I'm loving it. I can't get enough of Boxy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And also don't forget that giveaway will be coming the end of the week. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you guys so much. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.